Hey, this is Dave at houseparents.com. Today we're going to take on the task of getting rid of a weedy bush.
Today we're going to show you how to get rid of a bush or a shrub, roots and all, and do it real fast. As you've seen in other videos, we've been working on this pond and we got the waterfall in, and now we're just trying to take care of the landscaping, and this is job number one, to get rid of this thing first.
So it's a real nuisance. It keeps growing back, and the only way to really get rid of it is to get it at the roots. And you can do this with a shovel, but digging through roots with a shovel can be a really laborious task. Today we're going to take on the task and do it a lot easier, a lot less digging, and accomplish the same result. What we're going to use to get this job done is a sawzall or reciprocating saw. If you don't have one of these, I picked this up at Harbor Freight for like 30 bucks. They're pretty cheap at Harbor Freight. You can get them up to $200-300. We'll have a link in the description below. You can grab one on Amazon. Great little utility tool for all-around house kind of project. And you get to see why in just a second. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a wood cutting blade in this. And now remember, what we're trying to do is get to the roots. I could just whack it off at the ground, but it keeps coming back. So we're gonna try to get to the roots with as little work as possible. All right, so here's the plan. What I already did, took away a couple shovelfuls of dirt so I can get down at a better level, but rather than have to dig the whole thing out, this is a much better solution. So first thing we're gonna do is go around this bush with the sawzall and cut the horizontal roots. These kind of mulberries, they always want to keep coming back, and that's why you have to really get down to the roots. So I've cut around the horizontal roots, and already it's a lot less stable. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go underneath there. You can see how intense this root system is. And so we're trying to get rid of all its attachments and make it a lot less strong. Right, so now we're just gonna go try to cut the bottom, cut the taproot, and any of the miscellaneous ones. All right, let's see how that did. All right, we're getting there. All right, so we'll go back at it on this side, get a little bit more of an angle. There we go. And there she is. So with a minimal amount of digging, you see how huge those roots are, and that puppy just comes right out. If you want to not have to fight the root system, cutting it sides and bottom is really the trick. And then this plant will have room to grow now. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe. We've got more videos coming. Thanks all for watching, and we'll see you next time.